पंचजन्यम ऋषिकेशम देवदत्तम धनंजय पौंड्रम दध्मो महाशंखम भीमकर्मा वृकोदरः. Hello everyone, I'm Leena Rajesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Behind the Noise, and today I come here with my ideas about Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, Arjun's Vishad Yog, slok number 15. Guys, here we talk about the counsels, and in this sloka, writer explain that the counsel of Krishna, that is Panchajanyam, and he blew his counsel. At the same time, Arjun blew Devdattam his counsel, and Bhima blew his Bhim, who was voracious eater and ready for any Hercules task. He blew his counsel, which create tremendous sound, that is Pondrum. Now these all situation about counsels, let me explain it. So here if we talk about Rishikesam Panchajanyam, we know that Rishikesam means Lord Krishna. Why we provide him this name? Because guys, Rishikesam, who is the owner of all the senses, means all the living objects and part and parcel of this Lord Krishna. So he empower everywhere. So what is happening in this world, it's only with his choice. Okay, so in our Mahabharata story also, that Gandhari cursed him at the last, because he say that if you decide you will control this war, but you decided it, that let the war happen. That's why these things is happening. So it's a beginning, from the beginning, that Lord Krishna know everything, and it's our karma that we have to pay back. And that's only we got the message from Bhagavad Gita, that whatever your karma, maybe you are good right now, but your previous karma also follow you, your previous birth karma also follow you. So these all things are happening here. Yeah, well, let's come to our sloka. So here we gave him name of Rishikesam. At the same time, guys, we call Arjun Devdattam. Arjun's counsel is Devdattam, and we name him Dhananjay because he who collect wealth for his elder brother for the adventures of different type of governance situations. So he collect wealth from opponents. So he got the name of Dhananjay. At the same time, if we talk about Bhim, who is voracious eater named as Brukodar, but he is ready for any Hercules task, and he create tremendous sound with his counsel Pondram. So these all situations are here in this sloka. At the same time, if I going to explain that it's a beginning, why we need this type of counsel at that time, because it create energy in warriors, and all the fighters are ready to fight. So this is necessary. In the same way, in our life, we all are ready for every task, but we need a push up button. So this is, here in this sloka, counsel become a push up button, that now be ready for your attack. So now this is all explanation, and guys, with this I end here my explanation about this verse. In my next video, I'll come again with my ideas related with Bhagavad Gita. Till then, bye everyone, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for listening me.